All right. In this one, all we're going to do, this is really easy to do. All we're going to do is we're going to go ahead and write the systems of linear inequalities. We're not doing anything other than that, okay? So you can work at most 20 hours next week. What does that mean? So 20 hours or less. Very good. Which would be less than or equal to 20. Yay? You need to earn at least 92. So 92 or? Alright, so which would be greater than or equal to 92. Your dog walking job. Stop. There's too many of you. Your dog walking job pays $7.50 per hour, and your job as a car wash attendant pays $6 per hour. All right, so what is X and what is Y? Dog walking. And what's my Y? Car wash. All right. Write a systems of linear inequalities to model this situation. All right, so which one do you guys want to start out with? Which one is that one? Tell me, tell me. Very good. X plus Y is less than or equal to 20. That's your first one. And then the second one has to deal with the money, so the money has to be involved in it, right? So 750x plus 6y. It's not equal. These are not equations. Greater than or equal to 92. All right, we're done. That's it. That's all we're doing. Mm-hmm. All right, we're just translating. That's all we're doing. Shh. All right, Marsha's buying plants and soil for her garden. The soil cost $4 per bag, and the plants cost $10 each. She wants to buy at least 5 plants and can spend no more than 100. Write a systems of linear inequalities to model this situation. Okay, the first thing is X and Y. What's my X and what's my Y? All right. She wants to buy at least 5 plants. Y what? Greater than? No, he's right. It's at least 5. So it's greater than or equal to 5. Very good, Rolando. Greater than or equal to 5. All right. She wants to spend no more than 100. So it would be 100 or less. At least 5 plants was 5 or higher, right? That's why we got the Y is greater than or equal to 5. I know. They're amazing, aren't they? What? Yeah. No. I had to cancel these guys yesterday because I had to go vote. So I told them to come in today, and they all showed up. Yeah. Oh, we will in a minute. You move over here. We will in a minute. We're about to play a game as soon as I finish this. That's the first group, and that's the second group. But I got 3 that are. Yeah. These two, you can tell because they're color notebook is different. Vanessa? All right, 1, 2, 3. 1, 2, 3. All right, let's do this. All right, so let's do the one that involves the money. 4x less than or equal to 100. Very good. We're done. I just want the two inequalities. That's all I want, guys. So I just want that, 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 and that. All right, let's go to the next one. Shh. Stop talking. Remember, there's too many of you. All right. Jonah is going to the store to buy candles. Small candles cost, and large ones, 5. He needs to buy at least 20 candles. What does that mean? 20 or? All right, so greater than or equal to 20, right? And he cannot spend more than 80. What does that mean? 80 or less. So less than or equal to 80. All right, write a system of linear inequalities that represents this situation. Wait. We haven't defined our darn variables. What is x? And our y? All right, so x plus y? Greater than or equal to 20. And what's my next one, babies? Yay? No, not yet. When we play the game, it is. Not yet. Stop. I know I should not have said that. Yes, you're moving this way. Don't worry about it. We got you. All right. All right. Let's go. Let's go. John is packing books into boxes. Each box can hold either 15 small books or 8 large books. He needs to pack at least 35 boxes and at least 350 books. All right, let's start with at least and at least, right? If it's at least 35 boxes, what do we got? 35 or greater than. So greater than or equal to 35, right? And if it's at least 350 books, greater than or equal, both of them are the same, right? All right, what's my x? And y would be? Large. All right. So let's do the one with the 35, which is the boxes, right? Shh. Stop and listen and think. We haven't started the competition yet. You might lose because you guys want to think too fast and you answer too fast and half of the time is wrong. They take their time. So we may want to put some tape around his mouth. I'm just saying. Because they don't answer that fast, but they think about it. I'm just saying. See, there I am trying to give you some kudos, and you had to mess it up for the whole team. B2, do you see how they are? Do you see how they are? It's him. Okay. It's called being a pessimist and not believing in yourself. All right, let's go. So if it's at least 15 boxes, right? It would be greater than or equal to 35. But each box can hold either 15 small books or 8 large books. So let me ask you this. Can X be small books and large books? Or can X, or does X need to be something else? Think about it. All right. This one is books, right? So it has to have the 15 and the 8 because those are books. All right. So the 15X and the 8Y doesn't go with the 350. It doesn't go with the 35. It goes with the 350. So this would be 15X plus 8Y. Now I want to know the other one. Okay, so this one is not small and large books, but this is the boxes that can hold small books, and these are the boxes that can hold what? Okay, so but you need to understand that these are boxes, right? Because you can put either 15 small books in a box, or you can put 8 large ones, right? Okay, now you can say X plus Y. All right. Number 5. During a family trip, you share the drive-in with your dad. At most, you're allowed to drive for 3 hours. So what does that mean? So less than or equal to 3, right? While driving, your maximum speed is 55 miles per hour. 55 or? So less than or equal to 55. Write a systems of inequalities describing the possible number of hours t and the distance d you may have to drive. All right, so talk to me about this. What did you say? 3t. Okay, I'm just writing what you're telling me. 3t plus what? Thank you, Rolando. T is what? This is like a Vox and a Hoy. That's all. Okay? So is it possible for you to have driven 160 miles? It's 55 per hour, and you can only drive how much? 3 hours. So what do you need to do? So is it possible for you to drive 160 miles? Yes. Somebody's talking in the back of of the room, and I don't know where it is. I think it's on this side, but I'm not sure. Is that side? Well, Mariah doesn't shut up, so it might be her. It's not on this side. It's look, see. You're not gonna lie. All right, let's go to the next one. Are we good? No, we're still not. Stop. When I stop recording, then we can play the game. Oh my goodness. Oh my God. All right. You need to hurry up. All right, on this one you really need to pay attention because on the next Friday that we stay, I will I'm going to stop. I can't talk over you, right? Thank you. On the next Friday, that which will be this Friday, right? Um, you are going to have to work with your family, and you're going to have to create your own company, okay? And you cannot create. I'm going to give you one more, which is the one that I have created. But you cannot use any of the examples that we're going to do two today. Tomorrow we're going to do another one, which is my company. And then you guys, actually, we're going to do my company on Friday before you actually do yours. But you really need to make sure that you understand what you're doing over here, okay? Because the best company will win a pizza party. So, between both classes, not just one, between both classes. All right, so What's Up Toys is a small toy company that specializes in toy cars and toy trucks. The people at What's Up Toys are confident they can sell all the toy cars and trucks they make. But there are two constraints. What is a constraint? Something that holds you back. Thank you very much. It's a limit, right? It's something that limits you. It holds you back. Like if the speed limit is 60, can I drive 70? Well, I can if I want to, but I'm probably gonna be, yeah. If you're Puerto Rican too, you're probably going. I'm probably gonna be stopped, right? So that limit their production today. Okay, so we have wheels. Each car needs how many wheels? 4. But each truck needs 6 wheels. What's Up Toys has 360 wheels in stock. That's it. All right. So what's the constraint? There are 360 wheels. As soon as you go through those wheels, can you make any more cars? That's it. You got to order more wheels in order for you to make more cars, right? Cars or trucks. Seats. Each car needs 2 seats. Each truck needs 1 seat. What's Up Toys has 100 seats. So what's the constraint? 100 seats. Once you go through those 100 seats, that's it. You cannot make any more cars or trucks. Do we understand what a constraint is? All right. Because you're going to have to create your company and put some constraints in your company as well. Write 2 inequalities. Then find the intersection of these inequalities to show all combinations of cars and trucks that What's Up Toys can make with the 2 constraints given. So let's start with wheels. And it tells you that X is the number of cars and that Y is the number of trucks. And you're going to have to do this. You're going to have to define what is my X and what is my Y. Okay? So let's come up with an equation for this. If my constraint is 360 wheels, can it be more than 360 wheels? No. So it has to be less than or equal to 360, correct? What comes on the other side? 4x plus 6y, because each car has 4 wheels while each truck has 6 wheels. So that would be 4x plus 6y. Yay? So that's my first inequality. Let's come up with the second one. Not equals. Less than or equal to 100. Now in order to graph it, what do I have to do then? Solve for y. The second one is really easy. All you got to do is what? All you got to do is minus 2x, right? Yay? Minus 2x. But for that one, I got to do minus 4x divided by 6, which can be simplified to what? Negative 2/3 x. Yay? And then what's 360 divided by 6? 60. Just do 36 divided by 6 and add the 0, right? 60. All right, so let's start graphing. This first one starts where? At 100. And it has a slope of? So that would be, what's my rise and what's my run? 2 over 1. 2 over 1. So 2 and 1. Even though these are made by tens, why can't I do that? Why can I go 2 and 1 even though the scale is by 10? Because what is 20 divided by 10? 2, right? This is 20, right? If I move down 2, what's my change? From 100 to 80. 2, 20, right? And then if I move this way, what's my change? 10. So what is 20 divided by 10? 2. So I still have the same slope, right? So 2, 1, 2, 1, 2, 1, 2, 1, 2, and 1. Alright, so I got my y-intercept and my x-intercept. Alright, a solid line or, I'm sorry, use your IDs. Start practicing with your darn IDs or the paper or something. It's a solid line. Alright, is it shaded in above or below? Below. Yay? Alright. So the other one starts in 60. It's also negative, so it's also going to go down. And it makes sense that it's negative because you're using the seats and you're using the wheels, right? So they're coming down. Yay? Now this is 2 over 3. So 1, 2, 1, 2, and 3. 1, 2, 1, 2, and 3. And 1, 2, 1, 2, and 3. Yay? And I move 20 over 30, which is the same thing as 2 over 3. Solid line, because it's equal to. And it's shaded in where? The low area. All right. So what's the area? This one? Yay? Is that it? All right. So let's talk about what the y-intercept means for the green. Listen. Let's stop. Rolando's just like Miguel. He wants to be the first one. And he gets it right most of the time too. All right. So what is that? That's my y-intercept. What does it mean? How many what? How many what? No. Okay, look at your, yes, it is the starting point, but what does it mean in real life? When I'm asking what does it mean, I don't want you to tell me starting point. I want you to tell me what does it mean in real life in the context of the problem. Okay, look at what's on X and what's on Y. You don't have wheels on X and Y. What do you have on X and Y? The number of cars and the number of trucks. Orlando, give it a shot. No. You started off good and then you messed it up. Miguel, your team's counting on you. Alright, so what does that mean? Come on, come on, come on. We gotta finish the other one. What does it mean? Nobody knows? Michelle? Shh. You know what? That deserves B3 100 points. I think so. I, I, I think so, because she was the only one that was willing to give it. Yeah, you know what? I make the rules here and we started competing. I'm not orange. I'm not orange. Actually, I got a clock. I got a watch from my B3. Hey, love. It's all about the love. All right, 1, 2, 3. We're recording. Get those 3. All right. So when there are no carts made, you can make a total of what? 100 trucks, right? Now, what about here? What does that mean? When you don't build any trucks, you can build 50 cars, right? Over here, when you don't build any cars, you can build 60, and that's regarding seats. One is regarding wheels, one is regarding the wheels, the other one is regarding the seats. When you don't build any cars, you can build 60 trucks, and when you don't build any trucks, you can build 60 cars. Yay? Now, in reality, cars need wheels and seats, right? So tell me, what is the maximum number of cars and trucks that you can build? Come on, 100 points. Thank you. 100 points. Very good. It is. You can build. The maximum number of cars and trucks that you can build would be 30 cars and 40 trucks, because that's where they intersect. Very good. There you go. Good job. Yay? Am I a trader now? All right. Shh. Suppose the profit on each toy car or truck sold is $1. How many cars and how many trucks should What's Up Toys make in order to maximize profit? I think Brian just answered that question, right? No. The maximize would be what? 30 cars and 40 trucks. Yay? All right, ready for the second one? So, so are you getting the idea of what you're going to be doing next Wednesday, next Friday? All right, and then Friday we're going to do mine. We're doing, you guys are creating your own company. I'm going to give you 1 hour to create your own company. And then we're going to pick the best one. And then that team gets a pizza party. Ah.
We're already developing a company, me here and my sire.
So think about it.
It's Dab Insurance. It's a different
the best one? Who's got the most profit? Who's got all of that good stuff? Most original one? Hey, let's go, because I'm still recording. Come on. All
That's a good business.
right, eyes on me. One, two, three. All right, Jack and Jill Jolt own a small bakery that makes fresh cookies daily. They bake two kinds of cookies, plain cookies and cookies with icing. The cookies are sold by the box, and Jack and Jill are confident they can sell all the cookies they make, but there are three constraints. So for Friday, right? For Friday, am I going to pick a company that has two constraints, or am I going to pick a company that has three constraints? Because it's harder to do. Very good. Right? It's a lot harder to do if you have.
Six
I
constraints.
don't want to hear about that.
What are the
So,
constraints?
stop lying. So, let's focus. We got to finish this. So, the more constraints that it has, the more points you get in your rubric, so the better company you got, right? There's going to be a rubric for this. Don't worry about it. All right, so let's go. X is the number of boxes of plain cookies, and Y is the number of boxes of ice cookies. And I want it like this. I'm going to give you a big graph paper, and all that information needs to be there. Okay? So the dough. One box of plain cookies requires 1.5 pounds of cookie dough. One box of ice cookies requires zero point 0.9 pounds of cookie dough. And Jack and Jill have,
Jack and Jill want the total.
yes, 72 pounds of cookie dough. That's your restraint. It has 72, right? Let's come up with an inequality. Less than or equal to 90. 2. That. We're now 100 points. 100 points. Oh, I'm sorry. 72. Can you guys see it? Because I'm writing with a pencil. Can you see it? All right, that's the first one. Shh. Plain cookies require no icing. Stop. One box of ice cookies requires zero point 0.4 pound of icing. Jack and Jill have a total of 20 pounds of icing. Very good. 0.4 why? There you go. Because the plain ones don't require icing, right? So there's no X on this one. So this is going to be what? By zero point 0.4. So what should you think about? Thank you. What did you say? Hoy, 50 points for B2. So think about Hoy. All right. So let's do. Shh. One box of plain cookies requires about 0.10 hours to prepare. One box of ice cookies requires about 0.15 hours to prepare. Jack and Jill together have 9 hours for preparation. So talk to me. 0.1x, the same thing. Same thing. Same thing. He was like, I'm sorry, I messed up. No, you didn't. All right, and what would that be? Less than or equal to 9. All right, so now we got to solve for y on all these equations, right? Ready for the first one? Minus 1.2x, right? Divided by 0.9. So that's a negative. 1.2. No, because I'm not dividing. I should take away 50 points. No. All right, so 1.2 divided by 0.9. What is that? Shh. Oh, I thought change it into a fraction. You can change it into a fraction. Let's go. It's a repeating decimal. You're absolutely right, but we can change it into a fraction. Because I need to have rice over run. So I cannot rice 1.2 and then run zero point 0.9, right? No, it ain't going to work. What is it? Negative. And what is 70? Shh. Is he still here? Yeah. 72 divided by zero point 0.9. What would that be? 80. Yeah, yeah. All right. Let's go to the next one. We got this one? Yeah. Let's go to the next one. Oh, the next one's so easy. Zero point 0.4. Yay? No, 50. Stop talking. All right, so that's my second one. Yay? Let's go to the third one. So minus 0.10x or 0.1x, right? Oh, thank you. Oh my God. All right, so 0.10 divided by 0.15, and you got to change it to a fraction. 2/3 negative 2/3 x, and then 9 divided by 0.15 plus 60. All right, so I got my 3. Yay? All right, let's start with the first one. Can I take it out? All right, this is my first one. You start where? 80. And then this is by 10, so you can still do 4 and 3, right? 1, 2, 3, 4, 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3, 4, 1, 2, 3. And these are all going to be solid lines, correct? All right. Below it, yay? All right, ready for the next one? All right, so Jasmine told us that we should think about Hoy, which means a horizontal line where? At 50. So go to 50, make a horizontal line. It's a solid line. And it should be below, correct? Because it's less than. Yay? All right, we got to do the last one. Where do I start on the last one? On 60. And then 2 over 3. And you can do the 10, because when you divide it, it's still going to be 2 over 3. 1, 2, 1, 2, 3. 1, 2, 1, 2, 3. 1, 2, 1, 2, 3. So from 60 to 90. And it's still going to be below, right? Yay? So So this right here would be my area, right? Yay? It's 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Pentagon, right? 1, 2, 3, 4, and 5. Yay? Alright, so this one you gotta be careful. Alright, so let's think about it before you blur it out. I'm gonna give you some thinking time for each team. Alright, 100 points. So this is what you're calculating, each team. Um, if the profit on each plain cookie is 3, and the profit on each box of ice cookies is 4, how many boxes of each kind of cookie should Jack and Jill make to maximize profit? Alright, to maximize profit, if the plain are 3 and the iced are 4. Alright, so decide as a team. You can move out of your seats if you need to. And then go ahead and tell me what the answer is. That when I ask you to, not right now. Alright? You got it? You guys can move wherever you please. Stay on that team. That's your team. You traitor.
We got it already. Hey, well, the question is so simple. 30, 40. She would apply. She did it last time. Take it back. Yeah, 30 plain, 40 ice. That's the profit. Remember? You can have the rest. You know what I was doing when I was having one more time? You don't meditate? I meditate. Do you meditate? I meditate. You tell me when I was meditating? That's why when I woke up, or when I got out of the transition, that's when I woke up and got out of the transition, I was all serious. And that's why I was able to answer questions the last time. That's why I was able to think of the answer.